Hi, excuse me. Are you the mechanic?
Yes, I am. How can I help you?
My car broke down this morning, and I really need it fixed as soon as possible.
I see. What seems to be the problem?
Well, when I tried to start it, the engine wouldn't turn on. And yesterday, I noticed some strange noises while driving.
Okay, let me take a quick look under the hood.
Mike checks the car for a few minutes.
It looks like your battery is dead, and there might be an issue with your starter as well.
Oh no. How much will it cost to fix it?
The battery replacement will be around $150, and fixing the starter could be another $200.
So, the total would be $350?
Yes, but let me run a full diagnostic to make sure there are no other issues.
All right. How long will it take to repair?
If it's just the battery and starter, I can have it ready by tomorrow afternoon.
Tomorrow? I really need my car for work. Is there any way you can fix it today?
Let me check my schedule. I can try to have it ready by 6 p.m. today, but it depends if I can get the parts quickly.
That would be great. Please try to fix it today if possible.
I'll do my best. Also, do you want me to check your brakes and oil while I'm at it?
Sure. Why not? How much extra would that cost?
A brake inspection is free, and an oil change would be $50 if you need it.
Okay. Let me know if I need an oil change after you check.
Sounds good. I'll call you once everything is ready.
All right. Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we accept cash, credit, and debit cards.
Perfect. I'll wait for your call. Thank you so much.
No problem. I'll get started right away.